If your brand is built on WooCommerce, it's for a reason. Custom product types, advanced B2B pricing, multi-vendor marketplaces, membership portals, custom plugins, and the convenience of WordPress. If you're running a serious business, you probably already know that you need a mobile app. You've seen the data. App users spend more, they come back more often, and they contribute up to 7 times higher lifetime value. But you might have also looked at the options and thought none of these can handle what I've already built. And you're right, most WooCommerce app builders were designed for simple stores. They're built to work as a WordPress plugin and pull your WooCommerce product data into a simple templated app. These solutions are an excellent cost-effective way to launch your store as a mobile app if you're running a simple WooCommerce setup. But if you're running a custom high-revenue WooCommerce store, a templated app builder is not going to produce the results that you need. By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly why custom WooCommerce stores are harder to turn into an app and the one approach that works regardless of how complex your setup is. WooCommerce is different to other e-commerce platforms. It's designed to give you full control over your site's experience. Every store is different. Your theme, your plugins, your custom functionality, it's all unique to your setup. A WooCommerce store running a B2B wholesale plugin with tiered pricing, custom quote requests, and role-based catalogs looks nothing like a store selling t-shirts with a standard theme. That customization is exactly why most mobile app builders struggle to fully translate your site into an app. They can't support every single unique WooCommerce site out there. It's just not feasible for a simple no-code tool. Now you might be thinking, couldn't I just live with a simpler app? Does it really matter if not every feature carries over? It does. When you launch a mobile app, it doesn't have to be significantly better than your site, but it can't be worse. If a shopper on your app gets a worse experience than they get on your site, then there's little reason for them to keep using the app in the first place. Your app is supposed to give your best customers a smoother, more convenient shopping experience, and you can't do that when half of your website features are missing in the app. So the other option is to build a custom app for your custom site with specific integrations to make sure your custom plugins and theme and everything else carries over to your app. Now this is technically viable, but financially, not so much. It can cost you hundreds of thousands of dollars. It's not something that your existing WordPress devs can likely do, and mobile app developers aren't cheap. The business case for a custom native app just isn't there, especially when your existing WooCommerce site already works great on mobile. Luckily, there's a way to convert your WooCommerce site into a mobile app, while carrying over all of your features, all the complexities of your site, without a 6-figure dev project. MobiLoud is the best way for custom WooCommerce sites to launch a mobile app. It's a managed service built to help e-commerce brands launch apps without rebuilding and without sacrificing what makes your site great. With MobiLoud, all your plugins, checkout customizations, pricing rules, CRO tools, and more carry over into your app. Your current storefront powers the app, fully synced, so every change in your site goes live in your app at the same time. No matter what plugins your store relies on, all of this works in your mobile app. You get virtually the same thing you'll get from a 6-figure custom build for perhaps 1% of the cost. If you have a successful WooCommerce store driving real revenue with a custom build that template-based app builders can't support, turning your store into a mobile app with MobiLoud is a no-brainer. Most WooCommerce stores don't need a custom unique app experience. You put the work into perfecting your store for the web already, and MobiLoud is the best way to convert that directly into a mobile app. MobiLoud has helped over 2,000 businesses launch successful mobile apps. Our approach is built around giving you exactly what you need in a mobile app and none of what you don't, and thus making the decision to launch a mobile app risk-free. To learn more, head over to mobiloud.com or hit the link in the description, and you'll be able to get a free 30-minute strategy session where we'll outline the business case for your app and break down the process and show you a free preview of what your site can look like as an app. If you're looking for the next step to grow your WooCommerce business, this is it. Get in touch and let's talk about how to bring your mobile app to life.